Hello children, welcome to AIMS India's online classes. Children, from our English speaking classes, so today we are going to discuss about the morning routine. Morning routine, like where you do some conversations with your parents, especially with your mom and dad. Okay children, so let us see how the day starts. So it is early in the morning, 6 o'clock. So here you assume that you are sleeping and then your mother is going to wake you up. Then how does she speak to you? Good morning, James. The name of the boy in our picture, we'll name him as James. Okay. So what mom is telling? Good morning, James. It's 6 o'clock. Time to wake up. No, it's time to wake up. Then James is replying, like because he's still getting sleep. So how does he say that he want to sleep for more time? Like this, Mama, please let me sleep for 10 more minutes. So how do you request? Mama, please let me sleep for 10 more minutes. Or else you can also say, Mama, please give me some more time. So even though you do not mention the exact time like 10 minutes or 20 minutes or half an hour, you can also say, Mama, please give me some time. I am getting sleep. Okay. So even that way also you can tell. Clear children? So then what Mama says? Okay son, only 10 more minutes. So because James requested for 10 minutes, so Mama agreed to give him 10 minutes more to wake up. Okay children? Now after 10 minutes, so what happens? James has to wake up. No. Now after 10 minutes again, Mama came to the room and she said, your time is up. Wake up now. Your time is up. In the sense, the time is completed. Wake up now. Now James has woke up. I am up. Good morning, Mama. Now he woke up from the bed, from his sleep. Now he is wishing, that is, he is greeting. No, when we wake up early in the morning or in the mornings, so normally we'll greet our parents or the elders, whoever are there in our house. Okay, so I am up. Good morning, Mama. Okay, so now Mama is happy because he woke up exactly after 10 minutes as he said. And that is why she is appreciating James. That's like a good boy. Good morning. No, that's like a good boy because he woke up as he said. Mama is appreciating him, saying that he is a good boy. Okay children. Now after James woke up from the bed and he entered the hall, now he saw his grandpa and grandma, his grandfather and his grandmother. So immediately what we do? What we have to do? We have to wish our elders. Good morning grandpa and good morning grandma. Okay. So or else you can say good morning grandpa and grandma. Okay, together. Then the grandparents are replying to James saying that very good morning James. Okay, in return they are greeting James saying that very good morning James. Now it's time to brush the teeth. So James is thinking inside that he has to brush his teeth. No, let me brush my teeth. Now he completed his brushing and he is with his mother now. He came to his mother. So what is he asking? Mama, I am done with brushing. Can I have milk? Because after brushing, normally you drink milk. No. So here James also is asking his mother for milk. So how do you ask? Can I have milk? Okay. Clear children? Yes now. And Mama is replying, of course son, what would you like to drink? Horlicks or Boost? So normally children, you don't feel like drinking empty milk. You want some flavor added to the milk. No, like powders like Horlicks, Boost, Bournvita, so many other flavors which you like. Okay, so that is why Mama is asking his choice, James' choice, like what would he likes to drink, whether Horlicks or Boost. Then how does James reply? I would like to drink Boost. He prefers to drink Boost. So whichever flavor you prefer, you can ask your mother in this way. I would like to drink Boost. I would like to drink Horlicks. Or if you don't want any flavor in your milk, you can say, I would like to drink plain milk. Okay, you can say in that way also. Your wish, your choice it is. Okay, children. Clear? After drinking Boost, then James asked his mother, like, Mama, can I go for a ride on my bicycle? Okay, children, here, see, even you also, like, after drinking milk and completing your works, that is the nature calls in the morning, even you want to play for some time. No, in different ways. Somebody want to do drawing, somebody want to play outside, somebody want to go on a ride on the bicycle. No, so whatever you want, if you want to ask your mother or your father, okay, like you can ask like this. Okay, you can also add please also. Mama, can I please go for a ride on my bicycle? As James is asking here. Or you can say, Mama, can I please play for 10 minutes? Or Mama, can I please do drawings? Okay, anything, whichever you want to do. Okay. Now, mother is asking, like because you want to play, no, you want to do some other activity. So before that, Mama is checking whether you have completed your school works. That is the class works like homeworks or incomplete works. Okay, like have you completed your incomplete works? Have you completed your incomplete works? No. So if you have not completed, then mother is not going to allow you to do such things, because your incomplete works and homeworks come first, then only the other things. No, other extracurricular activities. Clear? Now James is replying to his mother saying that yes Mama, I have finished all my work and incomplete works yesterday evening itself. Now how do you reply? So if you have completed all your works, then you have to reply in this way. Yes Mama, I have finished all my homework and incomplete works yesterday evening itself. Suppose if you have not completed, then you can say, no Mama, I am still having some work to be completed. No, I am still having some work to be completed if you have not completed. So as you are all good boys and girls, so I hope that you might have completed all your works the before day only. Okay, so that is why I came with a positive answer saying that yes Mama. Okay, I have completed all my works. Now Mama says, very good then, you can go for a ride because you have completed all your works. Then there is no objection from mother. Then you can go for a ride for some time. Okay. But it's only for 15 minutes or else you will be late for school. Yes, because again you have to go for school. No. So it's only for 15 minutes. So mother is warning James that you have to go only for 15 minutes for a ride or else you will be late for school. Okay children. Now James is happy. Thank you Mama. I'll be back in time. Bye. So if mother asks you to do some work or to complete any work, okay, or to return back, okay, in a particular time, then you can reply in this way. Thank you Mama. I will be back in time. Okay, if it is a work, then you can say I will be done in time. I'll be done in time. In the sense, I'll do that work in time. Clear, children? Yes. Now, so here, actually James' father is not at home. Okay, he is out of station. He has gone out on some work. Okay, and James want to talk to his father. Okay, after coming from the ride, again before going to school, James want to talk to his father. How do you talk? Like how James talk? Okay, assume if your father is out of station and you want to talk to your father before going to school, then how do you talk? Okay, children. Now he is going to inquire with his mother about his father. Mama, did dad call you? I want to talk to him. Can I make a call? Yes, so he is inquiring his mother that whether his father has called his mother. Okay, and I want to talk to him. James want to talk to his father. Can I make a call? Can I make a call in the sense making a phone call? Because when we are far away, then we do talk through phones. No, children. So even if you want to talk to your dad through phone, so how do you ask your mother? Can I make a call to dad? Okay, like can I make a call to papa? Like how do you address your father? You can address him in that way. Okay, children. So I want to talk to dad, mom. Can I please make a call to him? So in that way you can ask your mother. Okay. So now mother is telling, yes my son, just now he called me and asked about you. You were out for your ride. Now call your dad and talk to him. So mother is replying to James that his father has called and he was asking for James, but James was out. No, he was for a ride. He was on his ride. Okay. So now mother is giving permission to James, saying that you call your dad and talk to him. Okay. Now, how do James talk with his father? So first what we do, we'll just say hello. No, hello dad. And then we'll ask about him. How are you? Okay. Or else you can also tell, good morning dad. How are you? Okay. So you can also tell, hello dad. Good morning. How are you? In these three ways, any way you can address the talk. Okay, you can start the conversation. Clear, children? Yes. And the dad replies, I am fine, son. How are you? No. How do your father replies? I am fine, son. How are you? Now again James again replies saying that I am fine also. You can also say like this, I am fine dad. And you can also say, I am also fine. You can also say, I am fine, thank you dad. Anyway, okay. And again, so normally we immediately inquire about when our father is going to return. No. So when are you coming back? When are you coming back? Or else you can say, when are you back to home? When are you back to home? So this way also. When are you? Then you can say back to home. In the sense, when are you returning? Okay, children. This is other way of asking about his arrival to home. Then father replies, after 2 days, James, would you like me to get something for you? Okay, would you like me to get something for you? So normally when parents or elders, when they are out of station, when they are returning, say they would like to give us something, no, as a gift, as a surprise. It not surprise, at least as a gift. Okay, children, because here father is asking, so that is why it doesn't become a surprise. So he is just asking, like, what would James like to have as a gift? Okay, children. Now, James is happy because his father asked like what he would like to have. So that is why he is thanking. So you must first thank. Okay, thank you very much, Dad. Can you please get me a Spider-Man toy? So, whatever you would like to have, any choice, like any particular toy or drawing books or pencils, color pencils, so whatever you would like to have, so you can ask your dad here. So, how can you please get me that? So either drawing book, whatever it is. Okay, children. So here James is asking about Spider-Man toy. Spider-Man toy. Okay. So then the father replies, "Yes, my son. I will surely get that for you. You have to start for the school now. Get ready. Take care. Bye." Okay, father agreed to get the gift for James. So because it's time for school and father asked James to get ready for school and to take care of himself. Okay, and he'll just finish off the call by saying bye. Okay, then James replies, "Okay, Dad, you also take care of yourself. Miss you, Dad. Bye." No. So how do you reply, children? Yes, saying that, "Okay, Dad, you also take care of yourself." No, even we have to say to our parents or to our elders who are far away from us to take care of themselves. No, so because we miss him, you can also add this, "Miss you, Dad." Okay, then at the last, we'll say bye. Okay, so now how is James here? He looks very happy. No, Mama, Dad is going to get me my favorite toy. I'm so happy. Now he is just sharing his happiness with his mother. No, as you also share happiness to with your mother. Okay, then how do you say, "Mama, Dad is going to get me my favorite toy. I'm so happy." Okay. Now mother says, "Okay, James, now take your bath, finish your breakfast and get ready for the school." Because in the morning already he woke up, brushed the teeth, then drank the milk and went for a ride and then came back and had a talk with the dad. No, and now it's almost time to get ready for the school. No, so that is why mother is asking James to finish all this. Like take his bath, finish the breakfast and get ready for the school. Okay, children. Now, how do James reply? "Okay, Mama, I'll get ready to school in time." Okay, in time. So you have to remember this, children, in time. I'll do the work in time. I'll get ready to school in time. In time in the sense I'll do it within the time. So it not being late or not getting late like that. Okay, children. So now as James replied, you can also say to your mother saying that, "Okay, Mama, I'll get ready to school in time." So this is an example of a situation where you have got mother at home, even elder grandparents at home, and father is out of station. Okay, so where you would like to go out after drinking your milk and then coming back and want to talk to your father and then getting ready to the school. Okay, children. So this is how you are going to convey your words. So like this, so you'll be having different situations in your house, especially in the morning times. No. So according to that, you have to talk with your parents, elders or siblings, that is brother and sisters, whomever you are having in your family. Okay, children, I hope you have understood this. Okay, we will be continuing in another topic with another topic in another session. Until then, take care and stay well. Goodbye, children. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for receiving latest updates.